Hi guys, I'm back to you to bake more loaves of bread. Please join me as we embark on this journey, and as it's yummy. I'm going to walk you through some of the stages that we embark on and how we get our bread very nice and beautiful. I tell you, it's so cool to be here, and Uyo is a beautiful city. I tell you the truth. I'm going to expose two beautiful things that will help you in your bakery. First of all, I'm going to share with you two types of EDC that I discovered in the market. And I'm also going to share with you step by step on how to mix, practical. This is practical on how to mix your commercial bread. The signs the dough will display for you to know that the mixing is okay. So anywhere you are, whether I am there or somebody is showing you practically or physically, by watching this video you'll be able to understand when your dough is ready. This is where so many make mistake. Stick to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Mommy, greet my people now.
Hello,
our original mommy.
hello everyone.
Tell them to subscribe.
Please subscribe. You know, Mr. Levi. I just met him online on
Hey, good
YouTube,
mommy.
and I decided to call him to come and teach us in our bakery. When he came, I discovered he was perfect, just what I was looking for. So if you have anything, any issue with your bakery, just contact me.
Hey,
and your
that's my 00001.
No, but it's good. It is good. Ah.
So guys, I discovered these two types of EDC I'm holding. They just give us retail. Now, one is dark and the other one is clear, a little bit, white. But there is a separation. You can look at the clear one, has a separation. Base, you see the base is clearer than the top. Now, this tells us that those retailers mixed the EDC with oil, and that is why there's a separation. Now I used both the dark color and the clear one, and both gave me good result. Indeed, Nigeria is a wonderful country, so you have to just be careful. For me, I would recommend that you go for the clear one, because the clear one is good, although the dark one is also good, but the clear one is better, and then it looks fresh. Rather, I don't know what they use in mixing this dark one, so go for the clear one and it will give you good results. Now let's look at the mixing process. At this point I'm using dry method. That means I started with flour. Now from the flour I added all the ingredients. I mean all that is my egg, my butter, my yeast, my sugar, everything, preservative, everything you can think of. I added them, mix it for 2 minutes, then I added my water in bits. Now at this point you can see that I've added some quantity of water, although it's not enough. Now at this stage you see that the dough is not gathered because the mixing is not complete. Now as the mixing progresses, I checked and I found out that it was strong, so I added more water. Now this is the second stage. You see that the dough is gathering around the spiral rod, and you can see that the smoothness is developing. The smoothness is developing, and the dough is somehow elastic. Me are looking at it. So at that point you have to prime. Priming means you sprinkle a little portion of oil or margarine. That means you can both use the oil and margarine, or only the oil, or only the margarine, that is butter. And after priming it, you can see that it's changing. The smoothness is increasing, the elasticity is increasing. That is how you mix. Now at this point, just listen closely. Despite the noise, you will hear a popping sound. It will start to give you a popping sound. That is the sound that tells you that the mixing is complete. That popping sound, when the oil and the butter you rubbed has been absorbed totally, you hear that popping sound. Until you hear the popping sound, and you can see that the hole at the spiral rod is smaller, it's getting smaller. The elasticity has increased. This is when the mixing is complete, smooth and beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that like button. Share this video with your friends. God bless you. Bye.